Did you know you might have unclaimed funds waiting for you? That's right. There are billions of dollars in unclaimed funds all across the United States. These funds come from a variety of sources such as forgotten bank accounts, uncashed checks, and even foreclosure cases. Take the case of 2019 CA0142450 from Orange County as an example. This foreclosure case resulted in surplus funds. Surplus funds are the leftover money from a foreclosure sale after the bank has been fully paid off. These funds should rightfully go back to the homeowner, yet they often remain unclaimed. So, how does one go about recovering these unclaimed funds? It's simple. First, you need to find out if you have any unclaimed funds. There are several databases that can help you with this. Once you know you have unclaimed funds, you need to file a claim. In the case of 2019 CA0142450, the homeowner filed a claim with the help of surplus agents for Americans. They navigated the complex process of claim filing, ensuring all the necessary paperwork was completed and submitted correctly. After a thorough review process, the funds were released and returned to the rightful owner. But remember, time is of the essence. There is a statute of limitations on unclaimed funds. If you don't act fast, you could lose your right to these funds forever. Don't let that happen. You have worked hard for your money, and you should claim what is rightfully yours. So, what are you waiting for? There could be unclaimed funds with your name on them. Surplus agents for Americans are here to help you reclaim these funds. They have the expertise and the resources to guide you through the complex process of claim recovery. Don't wait. Contact us today. Unclaimed funds are waiting for their rightful owners. Make sure you are not missing out on what is rightfully yours. After all, it's not every day that you get a chance to claim potentially life-changing amounts of money. So seize the moment, reach out to Surplus Agents for Americans, and embark on your journey to recover your unclaimed funds. Remember, every dollar unclaimed is a dollar lost. Don't let your dollar slip away. Contact us today.